Can we interest you in an upgrade? That's tip number 7. Check what the builder offers as their standard for them items like flooring, cabinetry, countertops. Builders often have different levels of upgrades for higher quality materials in the home. It's best to consider these upgrades now rather than assuming you can change and remodel once the home is done. It's often cheaper in the long run to increase your budget now to include the upgrades you really want, and in short, don't expect oak and quartz on your standard package. But be warned, not all upgrades are created equal. Consult your real estate agent to discuss which upgrades are worth the cost and which won't add anything to the resale value of the home. Builders will offer all of them to you, but that actually doesn't mean you need them. There are some upgrades that are worth the investment, and there are some that are just truly not, so be aware.